One really engaging and fun way to introduce kids to programming is to start off with sketching. So sketching a program has three real benefits. The first one is that there's no technology required. All you need is either a printout of a template or to draw the shape of a device or an application onto a piece of paper, and kids can start designing and planning their own games themselves. The second is that it's very quick and easy to make mistakes and then fix mistakes as well, rather than committing to large amounts of coding and then having a lot of work to fix. Sketching is just a matter of scribbling out or crumpling up the paper and starting again. And the third is, sketching is an essential part of the real software development design process, so it's a really good habit for kids to get into, is thinking through their application before they dive in and start coding. So you can see in the picture here we've got a kid designing his own game using an iPad template. This is really good because it helps them think about the design and the gameplay of what they're building. And it also helps to clarify their ideas. It's very easy for kids to start jumping off in all sorts of directions, and by doing this before they start coding, they're thinking about the bigger picture of the application. It's also a really fun way to make progress with little or no programming skills, and this is a big part of seeing that mastery. You can see in this screen the kids are using the templates to draw arrows between different screens, and this is helping them define the flow of the application, which is another really important part of designing programs and games themselves. And here we can see them taking screenshots with a real iPad to simulate the application. So there's a number of apps out there that will link in the notes, and you can use those to take pictures of the sketches and turn those sketches into interactive applications that the kids can use to validate the flow and simulate the application they plan on building. So within the notes we've provided a number of templates so that you can print these out and start building sketches with your kids or students. So we have iPhone template, an iPad template, and a web browser template. So this should really get the kids started thinking about what they want to build and how they're going to put it together.